Hey everyone, my name is Ernie. Welcome back to Health Thrive. Today we're going to talk about something that might make you feel a little uncomfortable. But let's be real, it's a part of life and it happens to everyone at some point. That's right, we're talking about constipation. If you've ever found yourself feeling bloated, uncomfortable, or straining in the bathroom, then this video is for you. Constipation can be a real pain, both literally and figuratively. But the good news is that there are effective, simple ways to get things moving smoothly again. Whether you're dealing with occasional constipation or this is something that happens more regularly, these 7 effective tips will help you poop more smoothly and feel better overall. Stick around until the end because I'll be revealing one which has a direct impact on your digestive system. That's truly amazing. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so we can continue sharing health tips that help you thrive. So, if you're tired of that stuck, heavy feeling and want some relief, stick with me. Let's dive into the first tip. Tip number 1, stay hydrated. Water is your best friend. First thing first, if you are feeling constipated, drink more water. Dehydration is one of the most common causes of constipation, yet it's something that many people overlook. When your body doesn't have enough water, your stool becomes harder and more difficult to pass. Think about it. If there's not enough moisture in your system, your intestines have to work harder to move things along, and that's when you start to feel stuck. So, how much water should you be drinking? A good rule of thumb is to aim for at least 8 glasses a day, but if you're feeling constipated, you might want to increase that. Water helps soften your stool, making it easier to pass, and it keeps your digestive system running smoothly. If plain water isn't your thing, you can also try drinking herbal teas or infusing your water with a little lemon or cucumber for added flavor. Just avoid sugar drinks and alcohol as they make dehydration worse. Tip number 2, get moving. Here's a tip that might surprise you. Get moving. If you're feeling constipated, one of the best things you can do is to get up and move your body. Physical activity helps stimulate the muscles in your intestines, making it easier for your body to move stool through your digestive system. You don't have to hit the gym or do anything intense. Something as simple as going for a brisk walk can make a big difference. Even just 20 to 30 minutes of light exercise can help kickstart your digestion and get things moving. Stretching, yoga, and even light jogging are great options too. The key is to help your body active. The key is to keep your body active because when you sit still for long periods, your digestive system tends to slow down as well. So, next time you're feeling backed up, take a break from the couch and go for a walk. Your body and your bowels will thank you for it. Tip number 3, fiber intake. Another game changer when it comes to smooth poops is fiber. Fiber is like the unsung hero of your digestive system. And if you're not getting enough of it, constipation is almost guaranteed to make an appearance. There are 2 types of fiber, soluble and insoluble. Both are important for different reasons. Soluble fiber helps absorb water in your stool, making it softer and easier to pass. Foods like oats, apples, and chia seeds are great sources of soluble fiber. Insoluble fiber, on the other hand, adds bulk to your stool, helping it to move through your intestines more easily. Think of food like whole grains, nuts, and leafy greens for insoluble fiber. But here's the thing. Don't go from 0 to 100 with fiber. Increasing your fiber intake too quickly can actually make constipation worse and lead to bloating and gas. Instead, gradually add more fiber-rich foods into your diet over the course of the next days or weeks. And remember to drink plenty of water while upping your fiber intake because fiber needs water to do its job properly. Tip number 4, try a natural laxative like prunes or kiwi. If you're looking for a natural way to relieve constipation, prunes are probably one of the most well-known remedies. Prunes are not only high in fiber, but they also contain a natural sugar called sorbitol, which has a mild laxative effect. Sorbitol helps draw water into your intestines, which softens the stool and makes it easier to pass. A few prunes a day can do wonders for your digestion. Not a fan of prunes? No worries. Kiwi is another fantastic natural laxative that's gentle on the stomach. Kiwi is packed with both soluble and insoluble fiber, and it contains a digestive enzyme called actinidin, which helps stimulate bowel movements. Plus, kiwi is a refreshing and tasty snack that's easy to incorporate into your diet. If you want to try a natural laxative, aim for 2 to 3 prunes or 1 or 2 kiwis a day and see how your body responds. Just remember not to overdo it. Too many prunes or kiwis can lead to the opposite problem. Tip number 5, magnesium. Next on our list is something you might not have thought of, magnesium. Magnesium is a mineral that plays a crucial role in muscle function, including the muscles in your intestines. It helps relax your intestinal walls and draw water into your bowels, making it easier to pass stool. One of the easiest ways to incorporate more magnesium into your diet is by taking a magnesium supplement. There are specific forms of magnesium, like magnesium citrate, that are known for their ability to relieve constipation. But before you rush out to buy supplements, you can also increase your intake of magnesium rich foods like spinach, almonds, and dark chocolate. Yes, really. If you choose to try a magnesium supplement, start with a lower dose and increase it gradually until you find what works for you. As always, it's a good idea to check with your doctor before starting any new supplements, especially if you have other health conditions. Tip number 6, establish a bathroom routine. Believe it or not, sometimes constipation is the result of a disrupted routine. Our bodies thrive on habits, and establishing a consistent bathroom routine can make a huge difference when it comes to regular bowel movements. If you're someone who feels like you're always running to the bathroom at inconvenient times or not going enough at all, it may be time to retrain your body. Start by trying to go to the bathroom at the same time each day, preferably after a meal when your digestive system is more active. This is often referred to as the gastrocolic reflex, which is the body's natural response to eating. After a meal, your body gets a signal to move waste through the intestines, so this is the perfect time to sit down and give it a try. Even if you don't feel like you need to go, sit down and relax. Sometimes just taking the time to let your body adjust can help get things moving. Avoid straining, but try to be patient and let your body follow its natural rhythm. Tip number 7, stress. Last but not least, let's talk about stress. It might sound surprising, but your mental health and stress levels have a direct impact on your digestive system. When you're stressed, your body goes into fight or flight mode, which can slow down or even halt your digestive processes. This is because when you're stressed, your body prioritizes survival functions over digestion. Chronic stress can lead to chronic constipation, so managing your stress is crucial. Practices like meditation, yoga, deep breathing exercises, or even just taking a few minutes each day to unwind can help reduce the impact stress has on your digestive system. If you're feeling tense, take some time to breathe deeply. Relax your muscles and focus on calming your mind. You'd be surprised how much of a difference it can make in helping your body return to its natural rhythm. Constipation can be incredibly frustrating, but the good news is that there are plenty of effective, natural ways to help get things moving smoothly again, whether it's drinking more water, increasing your fiber intake, or trying natural laxatives like prunes or kiwi. There's a method out there that can work for you. Remember, everyone's body is different, and what works for one person may not work for another. It's all about finding the right combination or strategies that may fit your lifestyle and help keep your digestive system running smoothly. If you're dealing with chronic constipation or nothing seems to work, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional to rule out any underlying conditions. The most important thing is to be patient and with yourself and listen to your body. Constipation doesn't have to control your life, and with these tips, you'll be well on your way to pooping smoothly and feeling lighter, healthier, and more comfortable. I hope these 7 tips help you find some relief from constipation and get things moving again. Remember, staying hydrated, eating fiber rich foods, and managing your stress are all small changes that can make a big difference. Let me know in the comments if you tried any of these methods and how they have worked for you. And if you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips and advice.